What's happening, so fam? So we are today, doesn't matter whenever you watch this video, if you're watching it in 2020 of August, sometime between the 3rd of August to like the 9th or the 10th of August, depending on where you are in the world, you're still experiencing the Lion's Gate. So the Lion Gate has a lot of cool things that you should pay attention to, okay? It's going to align us with the tarot card that is known as Strength, okay? And the Leo energy is really powerful with like allowing you to assertively accept your power, put it out into the world, and just go after what you want without anyone else putting any other bullshit in your face for it, okay? So there are a lot of different things you want to be doing today for the Lion's Gate and the day after or so, okay? You can do this for a couple of days even after the Lion's Gate on August 8th. Leo is the energy that we're going to be stepping into, right? That we're experiencing through the Lion's Gate, okay? So one of the things you want to do is you want to allow yourself to tap into the energies of the Leo. Another thing you want to do is you want to wear orange, because orange is the color for Leos. So that would be a very good color right now to wear so that you can absorb more of that energy from the Lion's Gate. Now, it doesn't matter if you wear orange underwear, if you wear orange pants or an orange shirt. I personally did not bring any pants or shirts that were orange, but I do have orange underwear, so I might as well just wear that, right? It's very good because it's still connected to your sacral chakra. Now the Lion's Gate, since it's orange, got orange energy, has strength, is connected to the sacral chakra to some degree. It's connected to abundance, it's connected to sexuality, it is connected to your gut's health. So today, more than ever, if you want to start a detox, like, whatever kind of detox you can produce inside of yourself, or you want to take some elixirs today, that is what you want to be doing, okay? There are some very primordial sounds that I want to be sharing with you today, and we're going to be using a tuning fork. I just got this bad boy. It is tuned to 136.10, which is basically the frequency of the sun, okay? And it brings happiness and joy and warmth, which is the energy that we're going to be bringing in with this Lion's Gate, okay? So I'm going to be hitting this, right? And then we're going to be doing some sound mantras. So sound comes before light. A lot of people are convinced that light work is everything that we should be focusing on, but really, we should be learning how to turn everything that we learned from light work into sound vibration or sound perception, okay? So just set an intention right now that we're in the same room together right now. Take a deep breath. We're first going to say we're connecting to the powerful portal of the Lion's Gate and the tarot energy of strength, which is also the number 8. 8 has to do with infinity and abundance. We're going to connect to the sun because we're going to be using the sun tuning fork. If you want to say that you're connecting to Ra energy, like the Ascended Master Ra, you can do that too, if that's something you want to do. Or if you just want to connect to any other solar deity, Amaterasu, Sekhmet, whoever it is that you vibrate with in terms of the sun, you definitely want to put that energy out there. We're gonna do a couple different mantras from different cultures that are gonna really activate our heart chakra. So remember, your heart is connected to the element of fire, the sun, fire. It's all kind of like clicking together, okay? So let's first start off killing any anxiety in our system. And this mantra is ha, like ha, okay? Ha. Ready? You're going to do it with me. Oops. Ha. 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 We're then going to go ahead and we're going to do shu, which is going to target our liver. It's the color green, all right? Targets any anger that you might have. And if you actually do this one between the hours of 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., it'll be really powerful. Or if you do it from 3 a.m. to from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. or 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Those are your 2 windows for today in the Lion's Gate. If you missed one of them, don't worry. You can catch another, okay? And even if you're on a different time zone, which today probably isn't the 8th anymore, you can still do it because the portal will be open for a couple days. So the next one is shh, like shh, shut your mouth, girl. We're going to do it, ready? And sometimes you're going to cough too and stuff like that when you're doing this vibration. 3, 2, 1. Shh. Okay. We're going to do another primordial sound technique. It is for a different class of sound vibrational healing. The word is ma. So you're just going to do ma. That's going to target the heart chakra, okay? Ma. 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 The next one that we're going to be doing is yam, is from Vedic sounds. Okay, so yam is connected to the heart chakra, so it's just going to be like a yam. Okay, yam, yam. Yum. The next one is going to be tied to the frequency of 528, which is miracles, DNA, and DNA transformation, miracles, and basically like a cure-all. So the frequency for that is me. Okay, ready, set, me. The next one is going to be a really easy one. It is ah. Okay. Ah. 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 We got 2 more sounds, okay? The next one is ab. This one's from Egyptian alchemy. Ab means your heart, your generalized heart consciousness, okay? Ab. Ab. The next one from Egyptian alchemy is geared towards your inner heart, okay? This one's called Ati. Ati, okay? Ati. 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 So now we're going to take a deep breath. You're going to focus all of your energy on your heart chakra, okay? And if you don't know the quantum heart technique, all you're really going to do is you're going to be really focusing on gratitude when we go over the next sounds in a row. So now we're going to combine all the sounds that I gave you while we're focusing on our heart chakra, and we're going to be just expressing love and gratitude, joy and calm, okay? And then we're going to be really vibrating that throughout our whole entire auric system as we do this energy, okay? So I want you to just like really focus on that energy. I want you to just be loving. I just want you to be really in tune with yourself, okay? And we're going to do it all together. Just follow my lead, okay? Ready? And the last thing I want to do before we get started, I want you to feel the element of fire. So before we get started, let's turn on those energies first. Turn on the alchemy of fire. Feel it. Your heart organ is fire. Your heart chakra is fire. Your root chakra is fire. Your sacral chakra feeds off of a little bit of fire. Right now we're in the middle of summer. I'm in Sedona, Arizona, so it's scorching hot out here in the desert. Deep breath. Feel that fire going through your system, through your system. Feel that fire just coursing through your blood, okay? And hold on to that. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect right now to the Mars energy, the planet Mars, which is also tied to fire, adventure, travel, change, growth. Fire. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Mars. We're going to connect to the energies of Leo. We're going to let that energy just course through our system. Anywhere the fire energy is going, that Mars energy is going, that same Leo energy is going, okay? Let's feel the power of joy right here at the heart chakra. Calm right here at the heart chakra. Love right here at the heart chakra. Birth and growth right here at the heart chakra. Gratitude right here at the heart chakra. And now we're going to do the sounds. Keep focusing on this energy. Let this energy keep coursing through you. Just hold the vibration that you're feeling. You don't have to do anything else. Then add your sounds to it. Ready? Okay. Ha. Shoo. Ma. Ah. Me. Yum. Ati. Now let's connect to the energy of strength. Feel the energy of strength combined with everything that we're holding. Surrender into it. Keep feeling all of that in your heart chakra, all of that. Just feel the vibration expand. Ready? We're going to do the sound again, okay? Keep holding on to that energy. Ha. I probably said shoo in the last one, but it should have been shh. It's okay. Our body knows what's going on. Ma. Ah. Me. Yum. Ati. Now we're gonna ask for the violet flame from Saint Germain to step into our reality. Combine with the fire energy that we're experiencing. The violet flame will transmute anything that no longer is serving us. And we're going to let these energies of the sound vibrations that we're bringing in and all these vibrations that we're experiencing to seep in and fill in the gaps and for anything that the violet flame deletes, okay? So deep breath in. We're also going to tell ourselves we are in the nexus present point. We're in the present nexus point. We are in the nexus presente. The nexus presente. The nexus presente. The present moment of our soul. Okay? We're going to connect to the heart chakra of the world. Right now, feel your heart chakra connected to the heart chakra of the world. Feel that heart chakra connected to the heart chakra of the cosmos. Let's summon light of the ethers from the neurocodes. Focus at the heart chakra, and let's focus life into our heart chakra from quantum Reiki, life. Let us connect with our astral body. We're going to take a deep breath in and say astral body disconnect and relax on the exhale. You'll feel something kind of like come out of you. Okay. Taking a deep breath. Keep giving into this energy. And now we're going to do the mantra one more time. One more time, okay? Ready, set. Ha. Keep feeling that energy. Everything that we've been summoning. Ha. Shh. Ma. Ah. Me. Yum. Ati. I'm grateful for you. I'm sending you all my love. I am wishing you all the birth, all the growth, all the strength, all the Leo energy of the Lion's Gate. That your physical heart and your inner heart may open to the energies of Mars, travel, adventure, and power. May we connect through these vibrations that clear out anger and anxiety within our heart, our liver, and our small intestine. May you have joy. May you have the blessings of calm. May you have the blessings of love. May you feel the gratitude of the cosmos here as I sit in Sedona sending you this energy. Let our blood moisture calibrate to this. Let our blood vessels calibrate to this. Let our energetic bloodline balance to this. I'm sending you all my love. Share this with as many people as you can today, like legit. And in the next couple of days too. This is going to be really helpful. Come back to this video as many times as you need to come back to it. And do it for as long as you want. Like practice and like really get in the zone. Earlier this morning I woke up around like 6-7 a.m. and I started walking around the house, hitting tuning forward, saying these vibrations, putting my intentions out into the universe, and just knowing that everything is okay, everything is happening now, because we are powerful creators and we can make anything happen should we choose to align ourselves with sound, light, and love. I'm sending you all my love. Talk to you later.